Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Merrick Bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and search Merrick Bank Login. Once you make search, you'll find Merrick Bank Login on the top of your search list. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you're already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your credentials, that includes your username and your password. In case you forgot your username or password, you can click here and reset it. If not, then just simply enter your credentials and log in. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.